Today, we're diving into 3 of the best chat translator apps available for Android that will help you connect with others, no matter what language they speak. Let's get started. Mango Translate, Chat Translate. Mango Translate, Chat Translate is a versatile app designed to facilitate real-time communication across languages. This app supports translation in various languages, making it ideal for chatting with friends, family, or colleagues who speak different languages. The intuitive interface allows users to type or paste text, and the app instantaneously translates messages, ensuring smooth conversations. Mango Translate also features voice input capabilities, enabling users to speak their messages for translation, which is perfect for hands-free chatting. Additionally, the app saves frequently used translations for quick access, enhancing its usability for ongoing conversations. Hi Translate, Chat Translator. Hi Translate, Chat Translator is specifically tailored for translating chat messages in real time, making communication effortless across language barriers. The app supports multiple languages and is designed to integrate easily into popular messaging platforms. Users can quickly translate text by copying and pasting, or they can use built-in chat features to translate messages directly within the app. Hi Translate also offers voice translation, allowing users to communicate verbally with ease. With its user-friendly design and convenience features, this app is perfect for travelers or anyone looking to connect with others in different languages. Chat Translator Go Translate. Chat Translator Go Translate is another excellent option that provides seamless translation for chat messages across various messaging apps. This application supports numerous languages and is known for its speed and accuracy in translating text. Users can easily copy and paste messages into the app for translation, or they can utilize the floating translation feature that allows translations to occur without leaving the chat interface. The clean layout makes it simple to navigate and use in any chat environment. Additionally, the app retains a history of recent translations, ensuring users can refer back to previous conversations. Chat Translator Go Translate is perfect for those who want a quick and efficient way to communicate in multiple languages. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting.